Hey everybody, I'm Rajesh and I'm the founder of X Factor. We are organizing a 21-day AI adoption program at Kite. And the intent behind the program is to make sure every single student learn by themselves and also grow by themselves as well. So this 21-day program has 4 different modules. Each module is created to inculcate self-learning mentality in every single student. Starting with the first module, LinkedIn profile optimization. Most of the people think LinkedIn is a job searching platform, but it is a far more different than what they think. It is an untapped gold mine that people are not actually tapping. So we made sure every single student profile is optimized as per the job that they're actually targeting. Alongside, we also made sure that the students are connecting with the alumni, because who else can help than their seniors to choose a right path and guide them in a better way possible. Module number 2. If you ask a student what is AI, the common answer that every student would be answering is ChatGPT. People think ChatGPT is AI is ChatGPT. That is an illusion that every student are in. We wanted to break that illusion and make sure every single student is exploring more than 10 different LLM models so that they can pick a right LLM model for the right task that they're actually performing. 90% of the time, ChatGPT will generate you inaccurate output. Sounds crazy, right? Let me tell you, if your prompt is good, the output will be good. And if your prompt is inappropriate, the output, I'm leaving it to you guys. And it all depends how you're actually giving the instruction to the model. Instruction will get you the perfect and the expected output as well. So that's what we have covered in module number 3, making sure every single student understands how to talk to LLM models, not just to ChatGPT. Module number 4, very interesting but the crazy one. We wanted to make sure we are bringing every single student out of ChatGPT addiction, because every student will be using ChatGPT for everything. But this module makes sure every student is exposed to more than 10 different AI tools out there in the market to improve the productivity and also accuracy as well with the tasks that they're actually performing. And most important thing, students build projects, build agents and build automations during this module 4. What is the use of knowing how to talk to AI tools or knowing different AI tools unless making sure every single student build their own project? So that is about a module number 5, every single student building their own project, production level project with the help of AI tools, and every question that they have, they learn from AI. Every doubt they have, they clear it from the AI. So that's a kind of a mindset that we have built throughout the program. The students' responses was amazing.
The most important thing from this program I have learned is that not to depend on a single AI tool for every task.
So LinkedIn optimization దగ్గరికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి నాది స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రొఫైల్ చూసేటప్పుడు జస్ట్ నార్మల్ ఒక క్యాజువల్ స్టూడెంట్ చేసినట్టు ఉండేది. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇప్పుడు నా లింక్డ్ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్ చూడడానికి ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్ లెవెల్లో ఉంది.
Each day have taught me something new. Like each day I have learned something new, AI tools, new automations, and honestly I have created my own automations and own prompts to create my output however I want.
Not only gaining knowledge on AI, but it helped me how to enhance AI as a productivity and innovation. I would like to sincerely thank Rajesh sir and Guide Management for providing this opportunity.
This is about AI adoption program, a 21-day life-changing program for every single student. Because they didn't just learn, they built, they grown from where they are from day 1 to day 21. Because technology is changing every single second. We make sure every single student is growing along with the technology. Thank you so much.
How is 21 days program, guys? Learned out of the program? So are you waiting for my next sessions? Perfect. Thank you so much, guys.